What is Memory Management Unit? The Memory Management Unit is mainly responsible for translating logical addresses issued by the CPU to the physical address. So basically, this Memory Management Unit holds a table, and as per that table, it converts logical addresses to the physical addresses. Like this has converted logical address 100 to the physical address 9100. Let's see now how this MMU converts from logical address to physical one. So this CPU issued some logical address or virtual address which needs to be converted into the physical address. So MMU unit will take this and will convert into the physical one, and to do so it uses TLB, which is nothing but translation look aside buffer. So basically this translation look aside buffer holds the recently cached data, or you can think of this TLB holds the cache information for the recent translations. So whenever the virtual address or logical address needs to be converted, first MMU checks in the TLB in the recent cache. If it finds there, it will directly convert to the physical address. And if the information is not found in this TLB, translation look aside buffer, then it will come here and walk through the entire table. And for checking the individual entry, it has virtual to physical mapping here. So based on virtual address space, it creates equal entries in this translation table, and each entry is corresponding to a particular physical block. So let's say CPU has to convert this logical address. It is having basically two parts. One is offset in block, and the MSB is the which entry it has to select. So here this entry is entry 1. So it will come here and it will check in this, and it will find the corresponding physical block to this entry 1. So corresponding to this entry 1, we have physical address this one. So the conversion will be entry 1 physical address space plus the offset mentioned here. So combination of these two will give the exact physical address. Let's say this is 9000 and this is 100. So it will be 9100. That's how MMU unit converts from virtual address to the physical one. This was the short intro about memory management unit. I hope you would have understood this logic, but if you have still any doubt about this, please let me know in the comment box. I'll try to answer as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you soon.